Are you ready to take control of your destiny, pursue your passion, and become your own boss? If so, you have come to the right place. Welcome to Business Mind, where we are about to embark on an exhilarating journey together. Today, we will explore the essential steps and strategies to transform your vision into a thriving business. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of entrepreneurship? Now let's dive into our comprehensive guide, How to Start a Business, a step-by-step guide for beginners. Let the entrepreneurial adventure begin. Step 1. Idea generation and market research. The foundation of any successful business venture lies in a brilliant idea and a deep understanding of the market. Let us start our entrepreneurial journey with the crucial first steps of idea generation and market research. At Business Mind, we encourage you to unleash your creativity and think outside the box. Take some time to brainstorm various business ideas that align with your interests, skills, and passions. Whether it's a unique product, a service that fills a gap, or a creative solution to a common problem, write down all your potential ideas. Once you have a list of potential ideas, it is time to dive into market research. Your target audience holds the key to your success. Understand their needs, preferences, and pain points to tailor your offerings effectively. Do not forget to seek feedback from potential customers to refine your vision further. Knowing your competition is also essential for setting your business apart. With a solid idea and market understanding, we are all well on our way to crafting a winning business plan. Stay tuned for the next steps in our step-by-step guide to starting a business. Let's turn your dreams into a reality, right here on Business Mind. Step 2. Planning your business. Congratulations on reaching Step 2, the backbone of your business venture, creating a comprehensive business plan. Your business plan will serve as a roadmap, guiding you through the exciting journey ahead. So, let's dive into the key elements you need to include. Firstly, clearly articulate your business concept. Describe the products or services you'll offer and explain what sets your business apart. Showcase how your venture fulfills a unique need in the market, setting the foundation for success. Next, your marketing and sales strategies are vital components of the plan. Outline how you will reach your target market, promote your products or services, and convert leads into loyal customers. This will ensure you make a significant impact in your chosen market. Lastly, present financial projections for the first few years of your business. In this section, include details on revenue, expenses, and projected profits. These projections provide you and potential investors with a clear picture of your business financial health and viability. Remember, a well-structured business plan not only guides your journey, but also demonstrates your dedication and commitment to potential investors or lenders. It showcases your vision and strategies for making your business thrive. Step 3. Financing your business. Now that you have a well-crafted business plan, it is time to tackle the crucial aspect of financing your business. Understanding the financial requirements and exploring funding options is essential for turning your entrepreneurial vision into a reality. Begin by determining the startup cost and ongoing expenses of your business. This includes everything from initial inventory and equipment purchases to rent, employee salaries, marketing expenses, and more. Having a clear picture of your financial needs will help you plan for the future. With a grasp of your financial requirements, explore various funding options available to you. One common source is personal savings, where you invest your own money into the business. This demonstrates your commitment to your venture and retains full control over your business decisions. Another funding avenue is seeking loans from banks or financial institutions. Before applying for loans, ensure your business plan and financial projections are robust, as lenders will assess the potential risk and rewards. Angel investors can be an attractive option for some entrepreneurs. These individuals are willing to invest their own money into startups in exchange for equity ownership. However, attracting angel investors requires a compelling business idea and a solid plan for growth. Step 4. Connecting customers to your business. Congratulations on securing the financing for your business. Now it is time to focus on setting up your business location, both physical and digital, two critical components that will shape the foundation of your venture. The first step is to choose a suitable location for your business. Whether you opt for a physical storefront, office space, or an online presence, this decision can significantly impact your success. For brick-and-mortar businesses, consider factors like foot traffic, accessibility, and proximity to your target audience. An ideal location will help attract customers and drive sales. For online businesses, focus on building a user-friendly website with seamless navigation and a secure checkout process. An online presence opens up opportunities to reach a broader audience, allowing your business to thrive in a digital landscape. Once you have decided on your business location, it is time to set up the necessary infrastructure. Ensure you have the right technology, equipment, and systems in place to support your day-to-day operations. For example, if you are running a retail store, invest in a point-of-sale system to efficiently process transactions. If your business relies heavily on digital interactions, ensure you have a reliable internet connection and cybersecurity measures to safeguard sensitive data. Additionally, consider the equipment and tools required to deliver your products or services effectively. This might involve machinery, software, or specialized tools depending on your business nature. Investing in quality infrastructure from the start can streamline operations and enhance productivity, ultimately contributing to your business success. Step 5. Building a team. As your business takes shape, the time has come to build a reliable team that will contribute to your success. Assess your staffing needs carefully, considering the roles and responsibilities required to support your business operations effectively. Depending on your business size and scope, you may hire employees or work with freelancers and contractors. When hiring employees, look for individuals who not only possess the necessary skills and qualifications, but also align with your company's values and vision. Building a team of like-minded individuals who are passionate about your business will foster a positive work culture and enhance collaboration. Creating a positive work culture is essential for employee satisfaction and productivity. Encourage open communication, recognize and reward hard work, and foster a sense of belonging within your team. When employees feel valued and motivated, they are more likely to be dedicated to their roles and contribute to the overall success of your business. Providing proper training and support is crucial, especially for new team members. Ensure they receive adequate onboarding and ongoing training to excel in their roles. Encourage professional development and growth opportunities, demonstrating your commitment to their personal and career advancement. For businesses with a customer-facing aspect, the ability of your team to deliver exceptional customer service is vital. Satisfied customers are more likely to become repeat buyers and brand advocates. Train your team to understand the importance of customer satisfaction, resolving issues promptly, and going the extra mile to create a positive customer experience and ultimately, customer loyalty. Step 6. Branding and marketing. As your business takes shape, it is time to focus on creating a strong brand identity that sets you apart from the competition and connects with your target audience. Your brand is the face of your business and represents its values and personality. Developing a cohesive brand identity that resonates with your customers is crucial for building trust and loyalty. Start by defining your brand's mission, vision, and values. Understand what your business stands for and how you want to be perceived by your customers. This clarity will guide the design of your logo, color scheme, and overall visual identity. Consistency in your branding across all touchpoints such as your website, social media, packaging, and marketing materials is key to building a recognizable and memorable brand. Once you have established your brand identity, it is time to implement marketing strategies to promote your products or services and attract customers. A well-thought-out marketing plan is essential for reaching your target audience and generating leads. Leverage digital marketing channels, such as social media platforms, search engine optimization or SEO, and email marketing, to connect with your audience online. Social media platforms allow you to engage directly with potential customers, share valuable content, and build a community around your brand. While digital marketing is essential in today's digital age, do not overlook the power of traditional advertising methods. Depending on your target market, print advertisements, radio spots, and even local events can still be effective ways to reach potential customers. Step 7. Monitor and adapt. Congratulations on reaching Step 7. As your business grows, it is essential to embrace a mindset of continuous improvement. Monitoring your business performance and being open to adaptation are vital to staying competitive and meeting changing market demands. Continuously monitor your business performance using relevant metrics and analytics. Tracking key performance indicators or KPIs will provide valuable insights into various aspects of your operations, such as sales, customer acquisition, website traffic, and more. By analyzing this data, you can identify strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. Stay informed about customer feedback and reviews. Pay attention to their comments, suggestions, and pain points. Listening to your customers will help you understand their evolving needs and expectations, enabling you to adjust your offerings accordingly. Before we wrap it up, we just want to congratulate you on completing your step-by-step guide to starting a business here on Business Mind. We hope you found the journey informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this content and want more empowering tips for your entrepreneurial endeavors, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you will stay up to date with our latest videos and continue growing your business knowledge. Thank you for joining us, and remember, your success is just the beginning. Keep pushing forward and turning your dreams into reality. See you in the next video.